Welcome back to JPM Collection channel, and the last video I've explained JPM Atelier, a car restoration project management, and today this is our first car, an SL350 owned by one of our friends, a royal family, a Tunku. He brought us here, and today we're going to go through the car, what's the problem, and Azif here is going to tell me what he's going to do.
Okay. Well, so far what we've noticed, visually just looking at the outside, we've got the paint rust bubbling up everywhere, and the chrome now is beginning to rust away, so we need to restore the rust. The engine is not running very well, like it's idling very high, oil leaks. What else is there? The exhaust is cracking and falling apart everywhere. I mean, they tried to do a certain repair. I don't know what they were thinking, but it's not gonna work. The whole exhaust pipes is rusting away. Interior is already cracked, dry and falling apart. Even the leather around the ignition switch, the seats are all cracking. The door trims look like they've been painted, and when they try to remove the trim, they break everything. Oh yeah, the canvas is completely dried, rotted out, so we need to replace all that. The mechanical we need to repair as well. So technically we'll be doing a whole restoration on this.
So I think he mentioned to me that he wants to restore this car as original as possible, similar to the ones that we have. Yeah, so this is an SL380. I believe it's a higher spec. So there are a few things, if you compare, our body is much better and everything, but the suspension of ours is lower than his because he changed. So, I mean, he brought to us because he always wanted to restore this car for the past few years, but I believe he told me that he has sent to a few workshops that couldn't make it. The engine, right? He sent to a guy. I don't think they fixed it.
No, they didn't.
You checked it, right? Replaced a lot of things that doesn't relate to the engine. So the body he sent to a couple of workshops for the past few years, and rust still comes out, as you can see. So I think he's a bit fed up, so he wants us to manage for them. Again, like I said, we have experience to restore a car like this, exactly like that. So yeah, I think it will be an interesting project.
Yeah, and since it's going to be our first project, we're calling this the Crown Jewel 1.
Yeah.
Represent the crown of JPM.
Yeah, so not so much of modification, but restoration. I know if you do get the spare parts for this car, it's expensive.
Yeah.
But luckily, we do know some Malaysian workshops that can do it as good as
Anywhere else in the world,
American,
if not better.
Yeah, cheaper as well.
Yeah.
So we'll show you that in our next few videos. So how we will film this is, yes, today's episode is talking about the car, the problems we will showcase. The next one, which we'll interview the owner of the car, right, which is coming tomorrow. Yeah, and he will share us his experience, why he chooses this car, why he wants to restore this car. And the third, restoration, stripping out. Fourth, I don't know what was it. Okay. Sixth, obviously, I think it's handover. Yeah, the handover of the car. So there will be 6 videos for this car, all right? Similar format to other cars as well. So stay tuned, I guess.
Make sure you like and subscribe, so then you can follow along with the whole process of this. And leave a comment. Tell us what you think.